araw, gabi-gabi. Basta guys, kahit araw-araw o gabi-gabi ko itong kakainin, sarap na sarap pa rin ako guys. Ito yung sea grapes. Of course, with sukang pinakurat from coconut. Organic sukang pinakurat. Masarap eh, kasi with spices na siya. And this lato guys is so fresh. Oh, sus, ang sarap guys.